Mga kapuso, karong buntaga alang sa mga anaa sa psychology nga field o sa mga nagatungha pa, kakuhaan natong ideya ang atong makauban karong buntaga kinsa bag-uhay lang na himong top 5 sa psychometrician licensure exam. Sabay tang ila-ilahon ang tubong Cagayan de Oro City nga si Michael Jacob Moreno. Michael, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Please greet our kapuso viewers all over Mindanao.
Good morning mga kapuso all over Mindanao.
Unang-una, Kel, congratulations sa imong kadaugan ug wa gyud nimo gialang-alang kay top 5 gyud. Kamusta ba ang feeling nimo karon?
Okay lang. It's okay. Hindi pa na-absorb parang ganun. So, yun, still sinking in.
Kel, paunsa ba nimo nahibaw-an nga top 5 ka sa mong licensure exam ug kamusta sa ba ang nahimong reaksyon sa imuhang pamilya?
Lipay gyapon. They're happy na I got yun, top 5. I learned about it when the exams were results. Actually, when the results of the exams were released rather. I was asleep tapos yun my girlfriend called me. And then I woke up tas she told me, "Uy, congrats." And then she was crying. She's like, "Uy, congrats. Akala ko bagsak ako kasi kasi she was crying. Yun pala pasar pala. Dayon ko nga unsa man is this a prank or is seryoso ba ni or kasi syempre di ba." And then yun pala tinuod man jud ay after I checked the results ayun. Pero I was still medyo sleepy pa ganun.
Grabe, for sure nindot gyud kaayo og grabe gyud ang kalipay nga gibati pod sa imuhang mga banay, Kel, tungod sa imong kadaugan. Pero ikaw ba mismo nag-expect ba ka nga masulod ka sa top 5 after taking the exam?
Honestly, no po. I did not expect. Yun nga I was just aiming to pass nga like it's a miracle nga. Blessing ni Lord.
Grabe, Kel, no, wala gid ka nag-expect sa imuhang kadaugan. Pero ikaw ba, unsa ba ang nahimo nimong strategy no sa pag-review o pag-study nga nakab-ot man gyud nimo ang imuhang gipangandoy nga mahimong usa ka registered psychometrician?
Sige, strategy yung para sa ako, yung strategy talaga is surround yourself with the right people. Actually, share ko lang. Actually, I joined a review center and I met some people. And then, pero it's not about the review center kundi what happened was like we had our own group chat and then we had our own parang Discord servers ganun. And what we do during after classes, what we do is we have our own study sessions. And during those study sessions, we discuss things together, we talk about these things. And yung mga people sa study sessions, sila din ang nasa top si Ann Bernadette De Vera, top 6 ata, tapos Yves Santos, top 16. Those are the people along with me sa study sessions. So ayun, surround yourself with the right people. Find people who wants to pursue the same goals with you.
Tuod, Kel, nganong pagka-psychometrician man o in the field of psychology ang imong gipili nga i-pursue nga career? Unsa ba ang naa niini nga kaniman ang imuhang napilian?
Reason behind I was interested in understanding people ganon. And I wanted to know what I could do to help other people in my own way.
For sure karon, Kel, daghan gyud og na-inspire sa imong istorya. Aduna ba kay mensahe ngadto sa atong mga kapuso viewers labi na sa mga estudyante pod nga naningkamot nga makab-ot ang ilahang pangandoy?
Ayun, yung what I said kanina, surround yourself with the right people. And ayun, kahit even if things seem hard, try lang. Join any review center near you, join it. Tapos once you join, try to ask them if meron ba silang group chat ganun, and then join the group chat and then connect yourself to those people.
Daghang salamat sa imong oras nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Registered Psychometrician Michael Moreno. We wish you all the best sa imuhang career. Relax lang mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.